Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about DB insert, how to insert MongoDB inside the Visual Studio. So that is how we are going to discuss about it. Okay, so first you have to write it in this way. First you have to mention the ID, and this is the same format you have to write it. You can pause this video and read it again, then you will be able to understand. Then after that I will mention few more things. First I will check all the products. So db.products.insert, and inside that I will write item, price 2000, and its value will be written here. After that, right result will be inserted one. So one product I have already inserted. So on screen you can see that is how you are going to insert things. Fine. So once if you'll check on the local host, so you will be able to check that one item is already inserted over there. So inside the product, all the inserted thing will be there only once you'll insert it. Okay. So the item is inserted, that is the price, and that is the value of it. So that is how you need to insert it. Okay. So that